Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Business Suite with a business account that has admin or editor rights. This ensures you can schedule. Once logged in, go to Settings and confirm the correct Facebook page and Instagram profile are connected, because scheduling requires linked accounts. Then open Posts and Stories or the Content Planner to create a new post. Make sure to choose the correct destination channels up front. Doing that avoids reposts and saves time when composing and scheduling. You now craft the post content. Write a clear caption, add hashtags and mentions to boost reach and keep the main message first. Next, upload your assets, images, video, or a carousel, and set the primary visual. Once done, add alt text for accessibility and a thumbnail for video. Then configure audience targeting, add a call to action button if needed, and append UTM parameters to links to track performance. Finally, preview the post on each channel to confirm layout and formatting. When you're ready, select Schedule and pick the exact date, time, and time zone. Use suggested optimal times if you prefer. Once scheduled, review the entry in the Content Planner calendar to confirm channels and conflicts, then click Schedule to finalize. If you need to change anything, open the scheduled item in Planner to edit or reschedule. If scheduling fails, make sure your account permissions are intact and reconnect the page. This resolves most errors quickly and keeps posts flowing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.